Hi, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to, well, I've already started it. I'm leveling off some of this concrete in here because I want to put laminate flooring down, and what I've discovered is that there's a big bump right across the middle where they've tried to join it, and I've already started grinding it down. So what I'm going to show you are some of the tools that I've used. So of course you need an angle grinder, and then I bought this diamond cutting dish, got that off eBay, which cost, I think it was £30, including this surround, which you do need if you want to vacuum up all the dust, which you do. So this bit here, this bit comes in one unit with, they're quite easy to attach a normal angle grinder. Only comes from this section down. Of course this bit is from your vacuum cleaner. And what I have done is I've off the Facebook marketplace, got myself a Henry. I couldn't get a wet and dry one, so let me just change the filter on it. But I wouldn't use your normal vacuum cleaner because it's going to probably knacker the motor in. So get something that maybe that cost me £25, and I wasn't too bothered what state it was in. So 25 quid, I can use that as a dust extractor. I've already gone through one bag that came with that, but I've got 2 extra bags which you can get on Amazon for like £10 for 10. So they're quite easy to get. These are the bags, the microfiber ones. You can use it in your house as well if you want. But so this is what I'm going to be doing today. So far I've grinded that much down. I wasn't planning to video this, but I thought, I might as well, now I've done half the job. So what I'm going to do is going to set the camera up on a little tripod. I'm going to try it, and I'll show you how I'm leveling off, how I'm marking it on the floor to see how much more I need to grind down. So you need to do a little bit at a time, otherwise we do start in the middle. I've been working out to the left, to the right, and then to the left, and then trying to level off as much as possible. I'm not going to get it as level. Well, it doesn't need to be that level. It just needs to be enough where if you put laminate flooring down, it ain't going to be bouncy in areas and maybe unclick as well. So here we go. Next bit I will be showing you how to measure off the floor. Okay, so it's quite easy to do. You just get a long plank of wood, mark it across, see if you've got any movement, which I have here in the middle. So I know I'm going to have to grind that bit down, maybe up to here. Move it along. Do the same again, just a little bit here. That's not too bad. Maybe you can also see the gap in the middle there as well, so that's fine. Just a little bit here on the edge. So let's move that out of the way. So now I've got a grind here, across this bit, in the middle bit here. I think it's fine there, and over there. And then we'll use the plank of wood again a little bit later and see how much more I need to grind down. So now I see it needs a little bit more here, so I'm going to do a little bit more. Switch on back here. Show you a close up on how it comes off very quickly. So as you can see, it's a lot more flat here, and it really does a great job on the concrete. The levelling compound is kind of leaves score marks in, so it's not too. It's okay if you, like I say, if you're laying the floor over the top, but anything else, it doesn't look nice. I'll show you an example in a minute, but this is perfect now, and I'm quite happy with the job. What I'll do is I'm going to go around the rest of the floor and check if there's any uneven sections. If there is, then I need to grind that down too, but it's, like I say, it's pretty easy now. I'm sure I told you I'm a novice. I'm sure a lot of you are probably saying, oh my god, he's got no eye protection on, he's got no mask, proper mask, PPE or whatever. It's up to you. You put on whatever you want. I can't work with gloves on too much. If I was doing something that was really dangerous, yeah, I'd put some on. But to me, it's got the guard on. There's no dust in this conservatory. After doing that, everything's in the vacuum cleaner, so it's tied up to where you want to do it. Like I said, getting back onto the floor levelling, I'm quite happy with that, and I'm going to be checking other parts of the floor and give that a blast as well. Reading that, I think it's nearly ready to be properly brushed. Probably use the Henry, the one for 25 quid to let me just show you the score marks before we move on. Yeah, these are the score marks, you have to be really careful that you're going to really blend them out. So yeah, going back to the vacuum, I'm just going to vac the whole floor up. I need to probably move a lot, of course I will have to when I start laying the laminate down, is get all this stuff out of here and start on the job. I've not even ordered the laminate flooring yet, but what I'll do is I will put the links in for that, what I bought. Shoot, it was like £30 or something like that, but you know, it's a good disc, and I think I can use that outside in my garden as well. As for the vacuum cleaner, I'll show you how much dust is in it. There you go, it's burst the bag. That's what you got to watch out for. That's why I've put the bags are not great, but that was a new bag and it's full. That's why it's burst. But the if you've got a bit more money, I would probably recommend you buy a proper wet and dry. And maybe some people would use that, and also with it, I've seen people make their own dust extractors. It's like a filtering system, looks pretty cool, but you know, this is a one job. If you're a professional, then you buy the proper equipment. I'm a novice, and that's what you do. You deal with what budget you got and what tools you've already got. Oh, you guys, what are you doing? Who are you? Go on then. Right, she's coming because it's raining. Right, that's it, folks. My next video. I'm sure I did show you my painting. Alright, go in. Go on then. Yeah, painted the walls. As you can see, it's not too bad. What I want to do as well in the next video maybe is box off these pipes. You can buy the plastic casing, which I might buy. Anything else? Cool. Right, thanks a lot everyone for watching.